Good day, mates. Or otherwise, hello, kiddos. Listen, are you ready to listen? Huh? Are you sitting down all comfy? Because we're going to meet some new friends today. Well, not new friends. We're just going to introduce them a little bit better. We're going to Meet Bluey's Friends. Huh? What do you think of that, kiddos? Let's meet Bluey's friends so that when you come back and you listen to me read the other Bluey books, then you'll know who everybody is. Are you ready? Y'all comfy? Got your ears turned on real good? Okay, here we go. Rusty is Bluey's friend from the bush. Remember, Bluey's from Australia and New Zealand. He can be a brave knight. Attention! A soldier. And he loves to play cricket, especially with his little sister Dusty. Oh, look at it. See? We're meeting all of his friends. And there's his little sister Dusty. Dusty and Rusty. That would be easy, huh? Chloe, well, she loves playing with Bluey. She is kind and happy to help every time she can, and except when she's a greedy queen and they're pretend. See? Oh, look at her. She's a greedy queen, huh? Well, who are we going to meet next? That was Chloe. Inoi is super creative. She likes to play mums and dads. She pretends and says, "Where's Polly? I'm off to work." And sometimes she works at Bluey's fish and chip shop. See? That's the one thing all of us kiddos do together, and even when we're alone, and that is we pretend to play someplace we're not, but it's fun because that's imagination. Snickers, it's not a candy bar. Snickers has a little sausage dog legs, and for a long body that's great for hiding. But sometimes Snickers, he has trouble sitting down, but he can roll down hills really fast. What do you think? See, he's just like a little hot dog. That's Snickers. Remember Snickers? And then we meet Mackenzie. He's from New Zealand, and he's an awesome spy. He likes racing and barky boats and playing at the creek. Oh, that sounds like fun, doesn't it, kiddos? How do you like your nails, Bluey's dad? What does that mean? How do you, and when they're playing in the water, and that's Mackenzie. Okay, remember, Mackenzie. Coco and Bluey met when they were babies. She has eight brothers and sisters. That's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brothers and sisters. Show you a picture, and they've got a little arrow. It's going to show which one's Coco because you'll see why. Sometimes she tries to bend the rules. Maybe you can have a crocodile-proof shoe. No, I don't think so. But rules make it fun. We did it. See the picture though with her other brothers and sisters. See the arrow going right to her? That's Coco. Coco. Can we remember Coco? I think so. How many other pink little doggies do you know? Lucky is Bluey's neighbor, and he loves playing sports, especially footy. A good game of cricket with Rusty's good, and playing doctors with his friends, that's good too. See? He and Bluey are friends, and they have make-believe things they do together. That's fun. Honey is a very good kitten. Meow. She can be serious when she needs to be. Stop. What's the password? When you see her picture, you'll know why that's funny. But knows how to make her friends laugh. Well, one of the things you make them laugh is look at, she's not a kitty at all. She just was pretending. Huh? Yeah, Bluey and her friends pretend a lot. They like that. But she sure knows how to make everybody laugh. That's important, don't you think? Don't you think, kiddos? Bluey and her friends. That's them. So let's remember. Let's go real fast. I'll go through. You ready? Rusty. Huh? Who's the next one? Huh? Does anybody? And what's his sister's name? Dusty. Right? And then who's the next one? Chloe. Remember Chloe? And then Annoy. I probably pronounced that wrong, but we'll have to go with that. Annoy. Oh, it's Andy. It's super creative. Indy. It wasn't Annoy. I'm sorry, I didn't read it right, kiddos. It's Indy. And Snickers, not the candy bar. And Mackenzie. And Coco. Everybody remembers Coco. She's the pink dog. Lucky. Huh? Remember Lucky? And Honey. And she knows how to make everybody laugh. Kiddos, it's important that we laugh. We laugh at each other. We all make mistakes and we all do things. Oops, we didn't mean to do that. It's okay. That's what called being a kiddo is and growing up. And I'm still working at it at my age, so don't worry about it, okay? And kiddos, remember, always smile when you can, because a smile tells people that you're happy. And I hope you stay happy all the time. Have a great day, kiddos.